If you're new to Photoshop, it may be difficult to navigate the weird wild world of layers and coloring layers. So here I've got a design that says no smoking, and I've got some layers here on the right hand side in my layers panel. The background layer is just white, and I can click the little eyeball there and I can make it disappear. What happens now is you can see the layer is now gone and I'm left with my no smoking text with no background. This would be great if I save as a PNG file, for example. That would give me a transparent background. I can also change the background layer as well. So in this layers panel, down at the bottom, there's a little plus button, and that's going to add a new layer. You can see now it says layer number 1. Now over on the left hand side I've got a colors palette. You can see it's yellow and it's white. So the yellow color is the foreground color. So I'm going to click that. Now I'm going to make this background color whatever I want. Let's say bright pink. So I'm going to click OK. So now I've changed my palette color to bright pink. So now I want to change it so that the bright pink fills up this layer. So make sure you're in the right layer, and then on the left hand side there's a little paint can icon. And I'm going to click on that paint can icon. And if you click on it and hold down the click button on your mouse, you can see it says gradient, paint bucket, and 3D material drop. I want paint bucket. So now I can fill the layer with the paint bucket simply by clicking. Now it fills that layer. There's another way that you can add in a layer as well. On the right hand side in the layers panel, I'm going to click the plus button again, and that's going to add a new layer. But instead of using the fill tool, I'm going to create a shape. It's about 7 or 8 from the bottom. It says the ellipse tool, but when I click on it and I hold it, it now becomes a rectangle, rounded rectangle, and so on. So now I want the rectangle tool. Again, make sure you're in the proper layer. In this case, I'm in layer number 1, which is my blank, empty layer. And now I can simply draw a shape, and we can see now it's been filled in with pink. This is very useful if you don't want the entire screen to be filled with pink, but you just want a certain piece of it to be filled. You could have a very specific square now or rectangle taking up your background layer. 2 different options on how you can make the background whatever color you like. I hope you found that helpful. Nice quick walkthrough. Make sure to check out my playlist on Crafty Stax for other Photoshop tutorials like this one that'll help you grow your graphic design skills. Thanks a lot for watching.